If you're up for a change, the upcoming hair transformations will definitely blow your mind. Have a look! Let's see what a little bit of trimming and hair coloring can do to that red blondie hair of hers. Starting off by bleaching the hair section by section, applying the product from the roots to the rest of the hair. You can already see the dramatic change of color in between the sections, from dark to super light. A good amount of bleach applied just like this is going to make the masterpiece of the year. Oh my god, looks like a whole different person. The color is just mesmerizing and the hair looks way healthier. Let's see what we're going to get out of those super dark hair of hers. Are you ready? Let's put that bleach in handy one more time on this one. Separate those curls in small sections and start bleaching. I guess we're going in for thicker sections this time. The master of hair definitely knows what he's doing, so you better prepare yourself to be amazed. Are you up for transformations like these? Adding toner and conditioner to treat the hair in the perfect way. The highlights are looking amazing, and the hair is still wet. Oh my god, she's looking fantastic! Just the smoothest highlights ever!